Well, you guys, it is almost the end of the year, and I have made a decision. I have got to clean my mess up. Let's take a look at it. We want to bring in the new year the right way. Well, kind of the right way, a little bit more organized because I can't function in this mess. So we're going to work on it for a little bit. And it's a little overwhelming, but we're going to start in this area over here. I started before. I took all my acrylic yarn off the shelf. You saw it in the tote. It's over full, so I need to take some out of that and add another tote because I'm not using it as much as I am using this yarn, and get it out of my way. I can't do this. So we're going to work on some cleaning. Maybe, hopefully, and try and get a little bit organized and get some of this mess cleaned up. I don't even know where to start. Oh, Toby, you're fine. Can I tell you how much I regret starting this right now? I'm already wore out and a little frustrated. Opening that box of the Sweet Snuggles Light and the Home Slim was very disappointing. It's not nice. It's not, most of it was, it feels thinner and it has that same yucky feel as some of the Parfait Chunky does. I'm so disappointed. I feel like they're taking our choices away from us because it's crap. It's crap yarn. And I just placed another order. I got a Michael's gift card for Christmas, and I went on and ordered a bunch of the Sweet Snuggles Light and the Home Slim. Now I don't remember if I had black in that selection. And the reason I did is because I finally got terracotta back in, but they're out of sand. But in that box I just opened, I have a sand, so it won't last long. But, oh my gosh, I'm just hoping it comes in with nice yarn. But, yeah, I'm just making a bigger and bigger bigger mess. Oh my gosh. People who do organizing for a living, I don't know how they do it. This is hard. When you have this much stuff, it is hard. All right, break time's over. I need to get back to work. Okay, so before I do the Bernat and Premier Basics Chenille Brights side of the room, let me show you this wall, because I have a couple of totes that need to come in front of it of items that need to be priced. Okay, so this is what I came up with. It's a little better. I ran into some right there, toucan, that I thought I was completely finished with. Down in the very bottom is Bernat. Just next to it is the Hobby Lobby. Not super fond of working with that. We'll eventually go through it. Honestly, it's probably better than some of the parfait these days. Moved my little bunny over here. The pom-pom, bloom, and any of the glitz that I had is in that middle cube there. And then I tried, kind of, sort of, to put like colors together. Definitely the same color with the same color, so that I can see what I have if I ever place another order again. I mean, I have a lot of yarn, but I don't have certain colors. Like, I need chocolate. That's a good brown. I'm out of the poppy red. I'm almost out of grays. All I have left are some of the seal there, and one package up top, and then this light gray here. So I'm about out of gray. Super disappointed in my order of the Just Chenille. Like, this looks like hell. That does not look good at all. I mean, this, that's nice. This, that is not nice. So now to tackle this mess over here. Oh boy. So like, I have cottons on top. Unfortunately, I ordered all this cotton thinking that the market bags and stuff would do well. I haven't sold a single one, other than to Lori. She bought 3 as Christmas gifts. But, yeah. So now we need to get on this mess. Okay, so this wall is done. I did not touch the top 2 sections where the cotton and stuff is at. But I have all my Premier Basics together. That shelf is mostly big twist plush. And then the Bernat. And I think a couple of these might be big twist plush, like that one. That one definitely is. And then all the little pieces I rolled up into balls, and they are right there. So I have one empty shelf there. And that won't be empty for long. But I am calling it quits for today. This is the other side, and of course, I have stuff in front of it. These are here to remind me to charge, and the fan, just in case. And then that is going to be a project bag for the market. And then Toby's taking a nap. And then I still have that to clean up because, well, it just happens. It got piled up there. And I'm not even going to turn around and show you the other side of the room yet. But we still have more to go. But we're going to stop and actually make something now. Well, good morning, everyone. It is now the next day. And I took a break yesterday, and I actually got to make myself a couple of things. Well, not for me, but for the fun of making it. But today's project is this desk. And I don't know about you guys, but for me, the next biggest investment to making the plushies are the eyes. And I have got a mess going on here. I have package after package after package that I need to get put into my little organizer box, put my drawers back. These were the two sizes that I was using. I just pull the drawers out and take them to wherever I'm working. So, with that, I already had a catastrophe today. I was bringing the drawers back, and I dropped the one that contains the 10 millimeters. So, I've been picking up eyes off the floor. And hopefully, if I missed any, it won't be my feet that find them. So we are going to get this straightened out, hopefully. And if I don't have enough drawers there, I do have this smaller one that I also got last year for Christmas that I haven't had to use, but I've ordered a lot more in different sizes of them. So for now, we're going to put these back in, and then we'll see what's in the different packages and put them in the, hopefully be able to put them in the proper place. And then the rest of the desk will be fairly easy to do. But this is the next biggest mess in the room. So let's get started on it. Okay, so I actually feel like I got something accomplished. And if I can maintain this just for a week, I'll feel like I'm going into the new year with kind of a fresh start. There are still areas that need to be worked on, but this was a major task all in itself. We won't even go in there. That is like trying to fit two things into one. There's a little like indentation where I put all the totes with the finished plushies in, and those market bag totes, whatever you want to call them, the bags with the handles, those are nice to take to market, but they are not nice for storing at home because they don't stack well. So I think I'm going to have to, when I'm not going to market, which is going to create a lot more work for me, I'm going to have to put my plushies back into the other totes so that I can stack them and try to keep the mess under control. Because the bags, they don't stack well. And then I feel like they're just scattered everywhere. So that is still a process, but I'm not going to do it this week because I do have that market next Friday. After that one, it'll be a month. So I'm going to take them out of the bags and put them back in the totes. And then, you know, a few days before the next market, I'll pick out what I want to take with me because I can handle an organized mess, but not what I've been dealing with. Not what I've been dealing with at all. So anyways, this was different. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to go crochet something because I need to reward myself for all my hard work. And we will see you in the next video.